It's Friday, January 30th, 2026, and we are going to have a major winter storm impact the Carolinas and move up towards the northeast. It is going to be a bomb cyclone, so we're going to be talking about all of that in today's weather update video, so let's jump straight into it. So, we're going to start with the day 1 winter storm outlook. So, you can see right now we have some snow over here. See this snow that we have over here in parts of Kentucky? As the time of making this video, it is 8:38 a.m. where I live, and you can see that we have some snow going on over here. So this will combine with some energy, which is going to be like moisture energy, like from the Gulf. And this is eventually going to combine with each other and cause a bomb cyclone. So you can see right here, we have a minor impact, slight risk for this area today, where we can see minor impacts of this winter storm. There's a chance that we can see some snow in here though as well, which is the winter weather area, which is the surrounding. So be aware for minor impacts in there. And then tomorrow, this is when it gets a little bit crazy. Tomorrow, Saturday, for tomorrow, we do have a moderate major impacts risk for this area, which is going to be for South Carolina into North Carolina, where we are expecting major impacts for a winter storm. Then we have a moderate impacts enhanced risk going around it, and then a slight minor impacts. So tomorrow will probably be the biggest day for it, but Sunday will also be a pretty big day, which we have another moderate major impact risk expanding from South Carolina up there towards North Carolina. Then we got enhanced, and then we got this slight. So that's what's going on over there. It's eventually it's probably not gonna hit anywhere up here. It could, but as of right now, it might just. I think it's just gonna do this and go up here. I think the winter storm is mainly gonna be impacting these areas on February 1st. So that's what we're looking at right now. So let's check out the future radar so I can show you guys what we're talking about. So this is the snow that we have right now, right here. It's right here right now. It's eventually gonna go over there. So let's check out the future radar. So it will move over. We'll have some snow in Virginia around noon today, Eastern time. And then you can see right here, as we go to 3 p.m., this winter storm starts to develop even more. See, we got some rain getting pulled up now, and then some snow over here and a low pressure system down there. This will eventually start coming together. And then the blue is snow, just to let you guys know. So we'll have a lot of that snow, and then we'll have that rain come off the coast. Then we'll have that low pressure system somewhere out here as well. Yeah, there will be a lot of rain. It looks like there will even be some snow up here as well. So this is what it looks like as it tries to come together. Will probably cause a lot of snow in this area. Atlanta, you guys might even get some snow, even if we go down there towards southern Georgia. That's actually pretty crazy. I haven't been seeing snow in these areas for a while, low pressure system. So this is eventually gonna cause a lot of snow over here, and then it's gonna move off the coast, and then it's gonna go into the water, and then it will travel all the way up here. It might not be as narrow as that, but it's probably gonna be more like that. Then it's gonna travel all the way up there through February 1st into the 2nd and 3rd. So that's what's going on. But how much snow are you guys actually going to get? Well, that's what we're going to talk about next. So we're going to see some snow with this as well. So that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so here we are on the snow totals. Looks like over here for eastern North Carolina, like over here near Greenville, New Bern, maybe even over here near Jacksonville, we can see possibly up to 16 inches of snow. 13 to 17 inches are possible over here in the New Bern area and areas just north of that. But probably going to be around 18 inches, or like I would say 10 to 18 inches of snow if you live in this pink area. And then again, like we have these little pink spots down here in South Carolina where we can see some snow. Like Myrtle Beach, you guys probably will be getting at least 5 inches of snow around that. And then Atlanta, you guys probably will if you're lucky, you guys could get 3 inches. Otherwise, I think it's just going to be like 1 or 2 inches of snow. And then we can see like a little bit of some like little areas that we can see some more snow down here, like 3 inches maybe south of Dublin, Georgia. And Athens, Georgia, probably around 3 inches. But you can see this little area in Tennessee. Knoxville will be seeing some snow out of this. Even over here south of Cosby, you guys could be seeing like around 10 inches to possibly even 13. So we're going to see some snow out of this, definitely. Quite a lot of snow out of this, actually, so That's going to be pretty crazy. And guys, it's not just snow, it's going to be strong winds, meaning that we could even see some blizzard conditions out there the farther east you are in North Carolina. So this is what the winds are going to look like. So this is the wind radar, so show us where the strongest winds will be. So you can see winds will definitely start picking up on Saturday. As you can see right here, look at all that wind. And then it will really start picking up over here in the middle as we got the low pressure system. Then the farther east you are over here, like this area, you guys will probably be seeing some blizzard conditions with the snow. So make sure to finalize your preparations today for this winter storm and be prepared for it. It's going to be pretty crazy, and it's pretty rare for this to happen, especially if we don't see this much snow in these places often. I'm just saying that you guys will be getting some snow. So yeah, we'll have some pretty strong wind gusts over here in parts of Arkansas all the way up there towards Tennessee. We'll see some winds here, and a few isolated wind gusts over here in parts of Indiana and Illinois today. In Illinois today, so that's what's going on. But we also do have an Arctic blast going on right now. So we have a bunch of cold temperatures going into the United States. This is very cold temperatures we're going to be seeing, especially in this area. It's going to be really cold. So this is eventually going to move all the way down there into the East Coast. This cold air is going to make it pretty far down south. But you even have a chance to see some Gulf effect snow. So this is going to go pretty far down south, as you can see here. This is all the cold air. This purple and blue is all cold air. And then you can see over here, we have some pretty warm air in the west, and hopefully that moves more east, but we got a lot of cold air right now. And that's going to continue, and look at this. By February 1st, it's going to be pretty cold in this area, even in Florida. So it's going to be getting cold, and there's a chance that we can see even more cold after that. And then hopefully this warm air takes over. As you can see right here, around February 6th, it looks like a little bit of the warm air finally gets up pretty far north. But then look what happens right after that. We're going to have another Arctic blast possibly come down. But there's another few things I want to talk about in the future. Like way into the future. In around like mid to late February. So there is a chance that we can see a few other snowstorms after this one passes. So I think it's time to start talking about that up next. So you can see, while this snowstorm is happening down here, we're gonna have some snow up here as well. That's gonna cause some snow over here. So that's gonna cause some snow, but nothing too crazy. And then if you fast forward it, there's a chance that we could see like another snow or rainstorm happen around around February 3rd. Sorry, and cause some snow and rain and stuff, and go off the coast. And then we could see like another clipper system come down around February 6th. We've pushed it up towards February 7th. We could have another clipper come down, just as you can see right here, some snow. This is around February 7th, and that might just move down there towards Virginia. And then we fast forward even more. This is the thing that is possible. It's pretty far into the future. Around February 8th, we're going to have this snowstorm develop, well, February 9th, pretty much. And that's going to cause some snow up there. But we also have some of this moisture down here, which some of that could combine. And then look at that. It looks like it's going to come together around February 10th. It's not going to look like this, okay? By February 10th, it's a possibility. It's not even for sure if this is going to happen, but it's possible because this is a potential that something will happen like that. So yeah, we're going to have another snowstorm around that time. And then as we go even farther, we can have another snowstorm around February 14th, which is pretty far into the future, so I don't want to talk about that next. Anyways, it's going to be pretty cold for a lot of you guys in the United States. As you can see, if we check out the CPC Climate Prediction Center, it's going to be pretty warm temperatures over here, okay? This is going to be pretty warm. Above average. Still going to feel pretty cold, especially if you're over here in the plains, but it's a little bit more above average. And then we have the cold temperatures on this side. So I'm just gonna hope that these warm temperatures will continue moving east, and hopefully push out all the Arctic air. It's gonna be pretty cold though. So once we get into late February, there's gonna be a chance for some severe weather, and tornado season is coming up. So make sure you guys be prepared for tornado season. And yeah. Thank you guys. That's probably about it for today's weather forecast, but thank you guys for watching. If you're over here in Central Florida, even over there near Disneyland, just be aware for some flakes. They're kind of unlikely. It's a possibility though. Well, not really unlikely. There's definitely a chance that we could see some down there, but kind of rare. Anyways, Yeah, just get ready for severe weather season. In spring, it's coming up, March through I think June or July. I think it goes to. But yeah, severe weather season is coming up. Anyways, guys, that's about it for today's weather forecast. There's a chance I might upload another video today on this winter storm. But anyways, I'll see you in the next weather update video. See you guys later. Bye. Have a good Friday. Bye.